Very good morning, dear children. So, as you all know, that in maths we have completed lesson number 7, that is fractions. And now we are going to start a new chapter, that is geometry. Now, what is geometry? What are 2D shapes? What are 3D shapes? What is the difference between them? We are going to study about these things in this video. Before starting of the chapter, the first thing is you should know what is the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. So here in this video, first I will explain you the difference between 2D and 3D shapes, or how will you identify whether the given shape is 2D or 3D. So for that, watch this.
Are 2D and 3D shapes. Let's start. Kids, can you put anything in this shape? Think. No, you cannot put anything in this shape. So, such shapes where you cannot put anything in them are 2D shapes. They are so called because they have only 2 dimensions, that is, breadth and length. So, what have we learned? We have learned that 2D shapes are those shapes where we cannot put anything in them, and they have only 2 dimensions, length and breadth. Good. Kids, can you put anything in this shape? Yes, you can put something in this shape. So, such shapes where you can put something in them are called 3D shapes. And they are so called because they have 3 dimensions. One more dimension than 2D shape. Have a look. It has depth also. So, 3D shapes are those in which we can put something in them. And they are so called because they have 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and depth or height. Here we have a picture. Is it a 2D shape or a 3D shape? This shape has 3 dimensions. It has length, breadth, and height too. So it's a 3D shape. Here we have another shape. Is it a 2D shape or a 3D shape? This shape has only 2 dimensions, length and breadth, no height. So it's a 2D shape. Here we have another object. Now we have to tell, is it a 2D object or a 3D object? Can we put something in this object? Yes. And how many dimensions does it have? It has length, it has breadth, and it has height too. So it's 3D object. Now we have one more object. We have to tell that, is it a 2D object or a 3D object? Can we put something in this object? Yes, we can put something in this object. How many dimensions does it have? It has length, breadth, and height. So it's a 3D object. Now one more object. We have to tell that, is it a 2D object or a 3D object? It's a paper. This object has only 2 dimensions.
That's all for today, children. Now you have to watch this video again and again to understand the concept of 2D and 3D shapes. Thank you so much, children. Bye-bye and take care. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.